KKJ चॅनलांतो सर्वांके नमस्कार. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Valval, an aromatic, very healthy coconut dish of the GSBs. This is made on festive days and for all important occasions. This version is of the Kochi, Kerala GSBs. For the Mangalore GSB version, Yogi Ratna, please see the link given in the description below. For making Valval, we need these fresh veggies: a quarter kg of Kolkasia or Mande, a quarter kg of ripe pumpkin or dudhi, 3 to 4 long beans or chevli, a quarter kg of ash goat or kuwane, and about 5 green chilies. Adjust according to your spice level. You may add a small potato too. First, we shall clean, peel, and chop them all. Here I have all the veggies cut into flat, even pieces. Chop the beans and slit the green chilies. First, I will cook the Kolkasia, followed by the other veggies. Now, to extract coconut milk from one small coconut, grind the grated coconut with 1 cup of water and strain out the thick milk of about 1 cup. Keep this aside as the first milk. Then add more water, grind and extract the second and third thin milks of about 2 cups. Or you can get ready-made coconut powder and make the thin and thick milk. Add the Kolkasia pieces, the thin milk, and salt to taste. And let it come to a boil. Now add the dudhi and kuwale pieces. Cover and let cook on low flame. After some 5 minutes, add the long beans, the chilies, and a very special ingredient, a handful of cashews. Cover and cook till well done. Now add the thick milk and mix well. When you see the first boiling bubbles, switch off. Remember not to let it boil. Check for salt. Now add a tablespoon of raw coconut oil and a half teaspoon or more of hing. Cover and leave aside for at least 5 to 10 minutes for the flavors to seep in. Mix well and serve. For this consistency, You can serve it as the main accompaniment with rice. If you want to serve on a banana leaf as a side dish, remember to add less thin milk while cooking. Hope you like this video and do leave your valued comments.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.